What if I told you those simple Amazon affiliate links sitting unused could become your secret weapon for generating massive affiliate income? Well, today I'll show you how to turn ordinary Amazon links into captivating video content that skyrockets your earnings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped with the skills and confidence to easily transform ordinary Amazon links into dynamic, profit-driving videos. No more leaving money on the table. Affiliate marketing through Amazon is one of the easiest online income methods, but let's face it, sharing links alone isn't cutting it anymore. Video content is the key to standing out in today's crowded market. So let's dive into how you can create impactful affiliate videos right now, step-by-step breakdown. That's step one, picking the perfect product. Start by choosing products already trending on Amazon. Focus on items with many positive reviews that solve everyday problems or genuinely enhance people's lives. Step two, generating your affiliate link. Log into your Amazon Associates account, select your product, and grab your unique affiliate link. That's pretty simple, right? Step three, crafting your video idea. Decide your video style. Unboxing, a detailed review, quick tutorial lifestyle, showcase, you name it. Don't hesitate. Browse platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to get inspiration on trending formats. Step four, writing a killer script. Your script doesn't have to win Oscars. Just make sure it showcases the product's key benefits, practical uses, and why it must have for your audience. Step five, setting up for filming. No professional gear? No worries. Grab your smartphone, find a good lighting, set up and ensure clear audio. Great videos don't need expensive setups, just clarity and authenticity. 6. Filming and narration tips. Hook your viewers immediately by highlighting how this Amazon product has changed your life or solved a common problem. Keep it relatable and engaging. 7. Easy editing and optimization. Feeling overwhelmed by editing? Trust me, I've been there. But professional looking videos are simpler than you actually think, especially with powerful yet beginner-friendly tools like Wondershare, Filmora, and CapCut. Learn heavily on the Wondershare, Filmora for advanced features while using CapCut for quick mobile-friendly edits and captions. Engaging visuals and clear storytelling to keep your audience watching until the very end. Now it's montage or walkthrough. Choose your style. Not sure about your video approach? Well, let's quickly explore the two powerful methods. Skyrocket your views by clicks. Montage style, great for shorts, form platforms, short duration, 30 to 60 seconds, fast paced, visual minimal, dialogue, energetic music. Example, quick product reveals, snappy demonstrations, satisfied customer, visuals, and strong quick call to action. A walkthrough style, ideal for trust building and detailed reviews. A longer duration, 3 to 10 minutes, conversational, step-by-step demonstration, clear narration, detailed product usage, address common concerns, strong CTA to encourage affiliate links and clicks. Overcoming common obstacles. Worried about video editing or lacking experience? You're not alone. We'll tackle that using simple editing tools, plus I'll point to you some incredible online communities ready to support your every step of the way. Communities to join are the Affiliate Fix, Affiliate Marketing Insights, you got YouTube Creator Community, YouTube Growth and Tips, TubeBuddy as the community, YouTube Optimization, Recap. Now, congratulations, you're now fully prepared to launch videos that make your Amazon affiliate links irresistible. Start creating and experimenting, and don't forget to share your success stories in the comments. Let's grow together. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more powerful affiliate marketing strategies. Until the next time, happy earning. This is Scott. Peace and progress.